ಆಚಿ ಮಸಾಲ.
ಎಂತ ಅಡಿಗೆಯ ರುಚಿಯಾಗೋ ರಹಸ್ಯವು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
Do you know something about Venkat? I must say that of all my actors here, and they're all each unbelievably brilliant, he would be the only one who knows all the dialogues by heart. And I'm not kidding. Like, all the English dialogues, he would know by heart. So some people make films. Venkat sir makes it possible for films to be made with integrity, with heart, and without ever holding back. Because I remember every time, there's so many beautiful moments that you call me and say, director, do you need anything? I'm right here. You call me, do you need anything? And I've never, ever asked him for anything all these years because Venkat sir has always given everything. And that's the truth. So thank you for the trust you have placed in the team, the burdens you have carried in silence, and the belief you never let waver. Thank you, sir. Now, there's a peculiar alchemy that happens when a film gets made. There are hundreds of decisions and hours of unseen labor somehow converge into something that feels to an audience effortless. That illusion is the highest achievement of my wonderful crew, and it is the reason we are celebrating and gathered here tonight. So thank you to my entire exceptional HODs, my crew, my production team, and everyone of Toxic. And I wish I can take each and every one of you and say things, but I won't top 9. There's no way. And I always like to win. But I love you guys so much, and I think you know that. And Nine just said it. She said it. Remember, I give all the love, and it's true. It's all genuine, and I mean it. Don't stop laughing, Homa. I'm serious. I love you all, and I don't want to, say things to each of you. Just know that I'm going to be with you in your journey, whether you like it or not. I'm your call away, 2 a.m., and that's it. I love you guys. And it was a joy. It was an absolute pleasure. It was a joy to have worked and directed all of you. No, I'm never ready to say anything about Yash. But everyone I meet, they ask me what it's like working with Yash. And I find myself falling short of words because you've just witnessed what he is to everyone. And while I was sitting there, I was thinking, what do I say? What do I say? Because Yash to me is not just my wonderful producer. He's not just a brilliant actor, amazing co-writer. Yash to me is an emotion, and it's a very deep emotion. And I don't know what my path is going to be after this movie, where I'm headed. But I know that one thing's for certain, that I'm going to take a part of you with me. In whatever I create in my life, you're going to be there in my spirit, Yash. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಒಂದೇ ತರಹದ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯಾಣ. ಈ ನನ್ನ ಕನಸನ್ನು ಹೆಗಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಂದವರು ಯಶ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನ್ನ ಅನುಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನ್ನೇ ನಂಬಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನಾನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ.